Hi everybody, I'm just going to show you quickly today how to try and rectify the fault you'll find on Suntour HESC systems, code 33. You might have seen online various bits and pieces about tightening brackets, etc., but I can't really find anything that actually shows you how to do it, so I thought I'd just do a quick video to show you how to actually make that adjustment. So this is for the HESC equipped system bike, so that's the rear hub motor there, normally made by, well, in the UK at least, served by Carrera, Halfords brand. And this is the battery. So the issue with code 33 is basically it's telling you the battery is loose in the clamp itself. So what we need to do is make an adjustment to get rid of that play there, and that should hopefully get rid of the code. The tools you need for this are basically you need a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, 4mm Allen key, and the key for the bike. So let's make a start. So first things first, take the battery off, obviously. So slide that out of there like that. Put that somewhere safe. Next, the Phillips Allen key that you need, and the Allen key, so Phillips screwdriver. There's a small black screw just in here. Just remove that screw. Take the key out because that's going to get in the way. Take the screw out. Don't drop it because it's very small. He says. So there's the screw, very small. And then this cover should pop off like that. That basically reveals the two 4mm screws that need to be adjusted. So the idea of this, basically we're trying to slide this bracket backwards towards the battery to tighten the connection on the actual terminals for the battery. So let's just slacken that off. And you'll see there is some adjustment in this bracket. So basically we're going to pull it all the way back, effectively making that tighter. Nip these screws up. They don't need to be crazy tight, just tight enough to not come unloose on the bracket. Tighten that back up. Now we can put that cover back on. And then we can put the screw back in. A good quality screwdriver is going to help you a lot here, so it's going to grip the screw for you there, basically. This is a wearer. Pop that screw in there. Again, don't need to be crazy tight. That's that. Then put the battery back in. So the battery's back in, and you'll see now there's no play there at all now. So that's as tight as this bracket can possibly get. So now next thing is to give it a test ride. Back from the test ride, done probably 15 minutes there. Not cutting out at all, no error 33. Previously it would only do sort of 20-30 seconds before cutting out completely, so let's call that fixed and let the customer know. Thanks guys.